proceed to the final part of trigonometric equation, which is when you find the question is in terms of cos plus or minus sine. In this case, we cannot solve using whatever method we have go through just now because cos and sine is already simplified. There is no further formula that you can use. So if you find something like this, cos theta plus 2 sine theta equal to 5, or the question is 2 cos theta minus 5 sine theta equal to 1, or 2 sine theta minus 5 cos theta equal to 2. So for this question, you cannot solve by the previous method. You need to use this method here. So what is the method? This is the method of substitution. So we will substitute our left-hand side with our equation like this. Either r cos theta minus alpha, or r cos theta plus alpha, or r sine theta minus alpha. You can also use r sine theta plus alpha, no problem. All right. So what you can do is we will compare from our formula list. In this case, this is the case of cos plus sine. So let's focus. This is cos plus sine. So we will use the formula of the first one. Okay. For the second one, this is cos minus sine. So we'll substitute our left-hand side with this one. And the next case is sine minus cos, so we substitute this case with r sine theta minus alpha. So don't worry, usually this formula here is given for you. You don't need to choose. However, you can choose on your own. It's very simple. Let me show you how. Let's focus on example 43, solving trigo equation. So let's solve this equation in interval 0 degree until 360. So let's focus here. This is your question. 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta is equal to 2. So this is the case of cos minus sine. You cannot use the previous method, okay, because this is already simplified. Nothing can be changed here. So let's substitute this by using r and alpha. Okay, let's see here. Let's compare with the formula of addition of cos. Because you still have cos, you have minus, and you have sine. Alright, so you have this structure here. So now let's proceed with substituting this left-hand side here with cos A plus B. So let's adjust it a little bit. Let's put r, multiply r in front, and then cos, open your bracket, this is your theta, plus this is your another angle, write it as alpha. Okay, and usually the question will give you this one. So let's straight away substitute. The first step is substitute. So let's substitute your left hand side with the formula given here, r cos theta plus alpha, and let's rewrite your right hand side equal to 2. So let's put it in a box and keep this first. So now let's focus with the first step. Let's rewrite our left hand side and substitute it with r cos theta plus alpha. That's the first thing. Second step, let's expand this equation here. This is r, so open your bracket. This is cos theta cos alpha minus sin theta sin alpha. All right, let us just use the formula list there. Third step, let's compare our left-hand side and right-hand side. So from our left-hand side, the first term here, let's compare. You already have cos theta, so let's take the value other than cos theta. So this is 3 equal to r cos alpha. That's the first one. And for the second one, this is minus. Do not take minus. And let's compare the value other than sin theta. So 4 is equal to r sin alpha. Okay, 4 equal to r sin alpha. So now we have finished comparing. Step 4, let's find r and alpha, the unknown. Alright, so what should you do is, let's rewrite cos alpha is 3 over r, sin alpha is 4 over r. Okay, so you can draw the quadrant here. This is in first quadrant because this is acute angle. Please remember your alpha is in quadrant 1. This is acute angle. So let's draw your triangle here. Let's put your angle as alpha. And then let's put your cos. This is 3 over r. Your sine is 4 over r. Therefore, to find r, let's just Pythagorean theorem. R is square root a squared plus b squared. So let's calculate here. Square root 3 squared plus 4 squared. This is just 5. And then now let's find alpha. For alpha, just rename this equation as 1. Let's rename this equation as 2. Then just take 2 divided by 1. So sine alpha divided by cos alpha. This is just tangent alpha. And then your right hand side, 4 over r divided by 3 over r, that is 4 over 3. So now alpha is shift tangent, in bracket here, modulus 4 over 3. So just give your answer in acute angle 53.13. So you can see in your textbook, the formula for r and alpha is given. R is just square root a squared plus b squared. And for alpha, this is just inverse tangent modulus b over a. Now, since you have got the value of r and alpha, the unknown, let's just do step 5, which is substitute r and alpha. So let's take whatever we keep just now, and then let's put in r and alpha. Okay, so we have rewrite the new formula for our question. This is 5 cos theta plus, this is your alpha, 53.13 equal to 2. So now this is a single trigonometry which we can solve, all right, compared to whatever we have just now. In the original question, we cannot move anywhere, all right. So now let's divide this 5 down here. So now cos of one of your angle here is equal to 2 over 5. Let's straight away draw your quadrant. Cos is positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. Let's put our terminal line here. So let's find our reference angle. Shift cos 2 over 5. You should get your reference angle is 66.42 degrees. So let's put 66.42 degree here and also here. So now let's read our angle. Our angle is theta plus 53.13 degree. This is equal to, the first one is 66.42 plus 360 degree K. Another one is this one here, which is 360 degree minus our reference angle plus 360 degree K. So now let's calculate this angle here, and then you'll get this answer here. So now this is not your final answer yet. Your final answer is just theta. You have theta plus one angle here. So the way to get rid of this is just minus it to your right hand side. Okay, so minus 53.13 on both sides. So you'll get theta here. So let's solve this. 66.42 degree minus 53.13 degree. This is 13.3 degree plus 360 degree K. And another one, 293.58 degree minus this angle here plus 360 degree K, where K is from integer. So this is your general solution of the question. Now let's find the final answer. You want the answer in one cycle. So now let's put K as equal to 0. So your answer is just 13.3 degree. And another one when K is equal to 0 is 2 for 0.4 degree. So this is your answer for this question.